Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Exness to TradingView. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. Now, before you actually connect your Exness account into your TradingView account here, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, typically, you can only connect your Exness account to a TradingView account if you meet the following. So first, your account is either a standard account or a zero account or a pro account. And also, it must be a MetaTrader account. So if it's not a MetaTrader account, you won't be able to use or you won't be able to connect these two accounts here. But yeah, once you meet the following criteria here, you should be able to start connecting your Exness account into your TradingView account. So what do you need to do? Well, first things first is you want to go ahead and open up TradingView here, and you want to go ahead and basically choose, or you want to go and log in first. But yeah, in here you want to go to markets, and you want to go ahead and go to stocks. Go ahead and click on it, and you want to go and just choose one of the pairs that we have right now. So as an example, maybe I want to use like Apple Inc. or anything that you want, and let's go and just choose full chart here. Now, what do you need to do inside here? So in this case, you want to go and just start trading. You can go and click on trade at the top right if you haven't connected anything. But if you have paper trading enabled here, you want to go and click on the drop down button here and just choose the option here that says connect another broker. Now this would actually pop up. Now next is you want to go ahead and just click on the show all brokers here, and you want to go and just look for Exness. Now depending on your account, again, Exness may or may not be available in here, and also due to regional restrictions, it may not be available or easily available in your account. So what you need to do is you want to go and just look for the Exness logo here, and you want to go and just select it. Now, typically, once you see the Exness logo in here and select it, it will ask you to log in into your Exness account. So go ahead and just provide all the desired information in order for you to connect your two accounts. But again, it may not be available for all accounts here. If not, it may be due to restrictions or regional restrictions. So you may need to look for alternatives to connect your account. But as of right now, that's the only way for you to connect those two accounts. But yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.